This is Unit 1, Day 10, Translating Inequalities. This is a word problem that we're going to take and translate into an inequality. It's a little more complex than the last example that we did. So the text says, Ellen needs to read at least 97 pages of a book for homework. She has already read 34 pages. Write and solve an inequality that shows how many more pages, P, she must read. So we already know our variable is going to be P, and let's look for any keywords, okay? And our keywords here are at least, okay? And so at least tells us that we want a greater than or equal to sign, all right? She needs to read at least 97 pages. So 97 is going to go to the right. That's how many she needs to read. She's already read 34. So she's on her way. So our variable P is the number of pages that she has to read. And we're going to say plus 34 because she's already read 34 pages. Now we're just going to solve this inequality for P. We're going to take 34 away from each side. So we're going to have P is greater than or equal to 63. This is the number of pages that Ellen will need to read in order to make it to the 97 pages. She's already read 34, so she needs to read at least 63. And if we were to go ahead and graph this, we would draw our number line, our 3 marks, and then we would have 63 in the middle, 62 over here, 64 over here. And because this is greater than or equal to, our dot is going to be closed. And then remember the little trick that we talked about in the last example, where we can think of the arrow right here. That tells us the direction that we can go. So we're going to go ahead and trace this. Okay, we're going to fill that in nice. And then that makes sense because P has to be greater than or equal to 63. So if she reads 64 pages, she's all set. But if she reads 62, she will not make it to the 97 pages that she needs to read for homework.